running through this. Okay, so what we've got here, okay, is a 20 kilo antenna. We have a 30 kilo ROU, and we've got roughly about another 20 kilo of steel. Okay, so we're lifting between 80 and 100 kilo at the most on this one. So the mathematics of all that, Heinrich will explain, because you've been speaking about it in the conference there this morning. Barry and Spencer mentioned it. So as part of this, we're just going to give you a quick who was listening. Okay, so Heinrich, you run with that one.
Okay, thanks Ian. So what Barry mentioned inside is how much kilograms can I carry on my gear loop over here? 10 kilograms, right? Yeah. So it's designed to break at a specific, not at 10, maybe at 20. It's designed to break so that if I do get caught, if I fall or whatever, it's not going to break my back. All right. So this was designed to break at about 20. So you can put 10 there. But if I lift up to how many kilograms can I lift a weight using rope rigging techniques? Who knows? 100 is right, you're right. 100 kilograms using rope rigging techniques. So you got just the normal load over here. If I pull here, I'm pulling on what we call a 1-to-1 system. Okay. For every 1 kilogram, I need to pull 1 kilogram. Okay. The problem with that is if I pull, and you saw the video, 3 guys are pulling. What happens if they get tired?
It drops.
And they leave. It falls to the ground. Many people can die. So we introduce the descender. So you pull, and if you leave, it stays. Right? So all you need to make it safe, is a carabiner and a descender. Then it's safe. But it's not easy yet. Okay, it's still 100 kilograms and you need a lot of muscle. So to make it easier, I put in this device called the rope grab and a pulley. Okay, I clip it onto the rope. Now, for every 3 kilograms, I only need to pull 1 kilogram. So 100 kilograms, how much do I need to pull?
33.
Okay. Can I lift 100 kilograms on my own? Come on, guys. Strong. Okay. Can I pull 33? Fairly easy. And it's got a safety in the system. But now we're working with 100 kilograms. It's quite heavy. We've got tagline operators. Tagline guys can just grab the rope. Now what happens with a tagline? The weight goes up. The tagline operators are pulling on the rope. They're pulling down. So I've got 100 kilograms there. I've got 40 kilograms on each tagline operator. So my load in total is 180. All right. So you see how things quickly become more heavier as time goes on. We didn't factor in wind loading and other stuff. So I've got 180. My hoist needs to pull how much? 180. So the pulley at the top is experiencing how much? Come on guys. 180 plus 180 is not difficult. 360 at the top. You see how quickly this grows. So your risk assessments, your lifting plans needs to take into account, and that's why we need competent
riggers.
Right. You see quickly why it's becoming important. Okay. So now we've got 180 there, if including my tagline operators, and I'm going to start up the hoist. Okay. The nice thing about this hoist, it works with petrol. You can take it to Mombasa, you can take it to anywhere you want, and do your installation there fairly easily. And you are saving on casual labor, which makes it safer and cheaper. Okay, so I've got the ear of the accounts managers, got the ear of the safety officers, okay, the CEOs as well. Alright, so now, start it up, I put it on, give give it a tug. Obviously the engine's already nice and warm. Okay. You can let it idle for a bit, but this engine's quite warm. Okay.
Okay, so part of the team, I'm the site supervisor. I've got Heinrich there as the hoist supervisor, and then we have our rigging team. On a structure here, like if we were lifting an antenna, we'd probably have a couple of lads up on the tower because it's a 3 metre stand-off. We'd have one at the top of the stand-off and one at the bottom of the stand-off on the tower. A couple of lads on the tag lines. The reason we've got tag lines here is because you can see it's such a big, bulky item. Like I say, we've said before, it is something the guys are using on site. So as we all lift it up, we'll get upright, and then we'll actually twist it around 90 degrees so we can actually take it up nicely. That means that the top stand-off is not going to be hitting the structure as we go up. Otherwise, we'd have to be pulling away from the tower and putting more stresses on. At the moment, we'd like Heinrich said, maybe about 40 kilo at the moment. But as we were getting higher at the tower, we'd be able to pull a lot further, and we could be doubling that. We could be putting 80, another 100 kilo on. Okay. So, as a supervisor, Heinrich will be watching me, but I'll be watching all these guys, and these guys will be watching that load going up there as well. Just this man here, he's operating what will be the left-hand side of the antenna, and that man there will be operating the right-hand side of the standoffs. Okay then, let's go. You guys ready? Ready? Okay, let's go. Up we go. Go on. I'm using hand signals because as that gets louder, he can't hear me. Done this now, take it roughly up about 1 metre. We want to double check that everything's safe. Okay, we want to make sure the load is safe, there's nothing loose. The tag lines are not working loose. Because it's been up and down a few times, we want to make sure that we have still got control of the load going up the tower. Okay guys, we all ready? Yeah, okay. So these guys, you can see our other two guys that help with the antenna up the ground, they've now moved away. They may be your riggers that are going up the tower. Okay? So, alright then guys, let's go up. Okay.
I just want to show, only one hand I need to pull. Alright, I'm not pulling hard, maybe 10 kilograms or so.
Okay, up we go. There, easily to stop, we can control. We can get this antenna within millimetres of where we want it to go. It's very, very simple. Rope with a truck, you are just relying on the man with the foot brake. Yeah, so that's what we want to get away from. Okay, there we go. Heinrich, I think you can turn that off there. I think we're in a safe position for getting this lowered. Okay, so you can see now the rope grab's doing its job, the capstan winch. We can do whatever we want now. Like, say guys, we've got the stuff up, we're happy, let's go and have a coffee break. Yeah, it's going to be safe. So we don't have to be holding like a rope, 10 men on it saying, oh, guys, I want a coffee, or where's my phone? Okay, we've seen it happen. I've seen many accidents, and I don't like doing the investigations of them, but I do it globally. And but this makes it so much simpler and easier for you guys. Okay, so to lower it down, it's working on friction on the drum, so we don't need the capstan to be running. So what we're going to do is lower it slowly. Okay guys, let's get this down. Okay, so again, it's reverse what we're doing. The hoist supervisor is going to be watching the supervisor. We get it down. These guys again watching the load, because you're not just putting new equipment up, you're actually de-rigging equipment as well. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Ready? Keep going, keep going. Okay, okay guys, keep going, keep going, keep going. Zach, you can put your end down, mate. Okay, Heinrich, keep going. Down we go, come on. Down, 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 down. Jerry, stop, Heinrich, stop. Are you okay there, Jerry? 100%, okay, keep going. It just looks a bit tight there, man, that's why I asked. Okay. So, again, very simple. You guys are not just putting new stuff up there, they're actually decommissioning stuff. With that bit of equipment, the right equipment, you can do it in a very safe and a quick manner. It's amazing how quickly it can be done. Yeah. So, any questions about the lift?